Malos Vrykan served as a lieutenant of Abaddon the Despoiler during the 41st millennium. A Chaos Lord of the Word-Bearers, Vrykan would be chosen by the Ruinous Powers to lead a Chaos fleet to rend the galaxy. Seeking the favor of the War Master of Chaos, Malos would attempt to aid the Despoiler in conquering the Segmentum Obscurus. Working alongside the duplicitous traitor, Lord High Admiral Drang, Vrykan and his advisors would distract Admiral Spire from his defense of the Segmentum. A harbinger of chaos, Vrykan would wreak havoc within the Segmentum in his quest to cripple the Imperium. Denied his prize, Vrykan would conduct war within the Segmentum Obscurus to better achieve his goals and ascend to become Abaddon's most trusted and dependable lieutenant. Destroying many Imperial and Xenos fleets in his wake, Vrykan's deeds would be favored by She Who Firsts, Slaanesh. Despite his favor, Vrykan would serve Chaos Undivided and harry the stars for years to come. His deeds thereafter, unknown.